Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making fried cabbage. You will need 1 head of cabbage, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 carrots, 1 red bell pepper, 1/2 cup of chicken stock, 5 slices of bacon, 1 12-ounce package of beef smoked sausage, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Using medium heat, bring your Dutch oven to temperature, then fry your bacon. Remove your bacon from the pot, then set it aside until later. Now add your sausage and cook for 5 minutes. Remove your sausage from the pot, then set it aside until later. Now add your onions and saute for 2 minutes. Now add the garlic, carrots, and bell peppers and continue to cook for another 5 minutes. Add half of your cabbage and continue to cook, stirring occasionally. Once there's enough room in your pot, add the remainder of the cabbage. Pour in your chicken broth, then season with the salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, onion powder, and garlic powder. Cover and allow it to simmer for an additional 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add your sausage and bacon, mix well, then cover and allow it to simmer for an additional 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, your cabbage is ready to serve. This is a classic recipe for Southern fried cabbage and sausage. I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make. To grasp how to make great food with style.